Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can modify your expert advisor so that it only trades on a new bar. So first off, the general idea is that we save the opening time of the current candle, and with each new tick we check if the opening time of the current candle has changed. And of course the opening time only changes when there is in fact a new candle. So let's jump right in. I've just created a new expert advisor, and inside the global scope we first need to declare 3 different variables. First off, we need a boolean. Let's call it new bar. So this boolean will hold either true if there is a new bar or false when there isn't a new bar. Next, we need a datetime variable. Let's just call it last bar time, which holds the date time of the last bar. And we need an array of type MQL rates. I'm just going to call it bar. And MQL rates is a structure in MQL5 that allows you to access previous bar data. For example, the opening time of a candle. Inside the onInit function, we have to set the bar array as a series. So we are going to say array set as series bar and the boolean true. So this simply reverses the order inside the bar array, meaning the newest element is at index 0. In a normal array, the newest element is always at the end, so we simply reverse the order. And now we can go inside the onTick function. The first thing we have to do is we need to get the data from the previous bars, such as the opening price, or not the opening price, but the opening time. So we are going to say copy rates for the current symbol and for the current period or whatever period you want to use in your expert advisor. Then the starting position, which is 0, which is the current bar, and let's just copy the data from the last 5 bars, and we want to copy them into our bar array. Next off, we are going to check if the opening time of the current bar, which is at index 0, dot time, is greater than last bar time. So if the expert advisor runs for the first time, this statement will always be true because the last bar time variable, date time variable, won't have any data stored. So we are going to say new bar equals true, and then we have to set the last bar time to the opening time of the current candle. This way, when the expert, or not the expert advisor, but the onTick function once again, then the last bar time is already the current opening time of this bar, meaning there's no new candle. So we need an else statement setting new bar to false. And now we can simply say if new bar, or if new bar equals true, and then we can add all our trade conditions in this if statement. And to show you that it works, let's just say alert new bar, and let's print the value from the last bar time variable. Let's compile it and let's check it out. Okay, so here we are. I'm currently on the H1 chart, so as you can see, with each new hour, new bar will be set to true and the date time will be printed. So Let's just speed it up a bit. And as you can see, it works perfectly. So, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to learn how to develop your own expert advisors or custom indicators, and you want to learn how to optimize them, feel free to subscribe. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.